I am extremely fond of my NutriBullet Baby Bullet. It's super easy to use. As you can see, I have the steamer. This is my second Baby Bullet. I recently had a baby who is now 8 months, and before that it had been 7 years since I had a baby. And it is still as great as I remember it being. They kind of changed the color a little bit, which is a little bit of a more updated color, but I love it. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. One thing that I did notice that I believe changed is there's really no button. So what you do to activate it is you push it down, and it just works perfectly. Please excuse my nails. I'm in the process of like taking them off. But I love the Baby Bullet. I think it's definitely a must-have for parents or moms who make their babies food. I have made all 4 of my children's food. So this is my 4th go round, and I love it. It's absolutely a staple, and it's perfect for if you do organic foods, which is what I do. Love it.